Hello. I am doing a project about the Great Depression, and we're making a meal for under $5. So, to begin, we have white bread that we purchased, and 3 cans of tomato soup, and 16 pieces of single cheese. American cheese, yes. And this was all a total of $4 even. And you'll never guess what we're making, grilled cheese. So, to start, we are gonna have our pan ready because we're not gonna wait 15 minutes for it to warm up. And we're gonna put 2 of the pieces down on the base of the pan. Then you're gonna grab your generic cheese. You're gonna unwrap it. And place it on top of the first loaf of bread.
And then on the second.
Perfect. And then this is where you place the 2 pieces on top of the cheese to make 2 grilled cheeses at the moment. We're cooking for a family of 4. And while that's cooking, we're warming up a pan for our tomato soup. So we'll open that up. Would you mind helping me, Anya?
Oh, of course.
So each of these were 50 cents. Good deal. Okay, we're gonna flip these grilled cheeses over.
Do I just put them in?
Yep. Actually, hold on. Okay, so we're just gonna let these grilled cheeses continue to cook. And turn the oven down a little because they're a little burnt. So, perfect, we'll let those sit. Okay, now we're gonna add the tomatoes, the tomato soup. So we're gonna put a can. Oh, that's a little too hot. Let's turn that down a bit. Don't want burnt tomato soup. Okay, and then you're gonna fill each can with some water. So we're gonna do that real quick. Okay. We're just gonna dump those into this. Oh, hello. Hello, my good sir. Okay. And then there's that 3rd can, looking very watery. No, I do not recycle. We're not a recycling family, that's extra money, can't afford that. Okay, well, 2 of the grilled cheeses are done.
We are in the Great Depression. We cannot afford recycling.
We're gonna put them on the plate. It's a Great Depression project. Perfect, now we are going to, now it's gonna, hold on. Okay, perfect. Oof, that's getting a little hot and smells burnt, so we're gonna bring that down a bit. Lovely. Okay,
More slices?
now we're gonna, put 2 more slices on. And stir up the tomato soup. Yummy. Great value and water combined. Quite the meal. Okay, we're just gonna continue to stir this until it looks a little less like water. It's a pretty decent sized amount. We're gonna bring that up a bit. Perfect. Now we're on to making 2 more grilled cheeses. We have 2 done. Gonna put those in the microwave.
There's no microwaves in the Great Depression.
we're gonna pretend that there's microwaves in the Great Depression. Put it in there. Keep it warm. The tomato, yep, I know it's burning, Dad. We understand that. Our budget does not provide us with enough money to buy butter, so you're just gonna have to deal with it. You know, Dad, I got $5 and this was $4 and I didn't want to exceed my budget because I'm not trying to lose points.
How'd you buy the pan?
How did I buy the pan? Because it comes with it.
Comes with the house.
Nope, well, my teacher didn't say that everything comes with butter. Sorry, mister.
Brought to you in part by children being mean to their parents. I'm just kidding. Let's go to
Looks
commercial.
so lovely. We're gonna continue to stir the tomatoes.
We're gonna continue to flip the grilled cheeses so they don't end up looking burnt as they are.
We're gonna try and make them as least burnt as possible
Exactly.
with the little resources we may have.
Exactly.
So, we're just gonna continue to stir. Alright, let's see how warm that is. Okay, needs to be a little warmer.
I hope those fingers were
How are
washed.
those? Yeah, they weren't. Good thing you guys aren't eating this. Contamination.
If I get the stomach flu, I'm blaming
Thank you, health inspector.
Your fingers are painted, and you just took your finger in the soup. Wow, toasty boy.
Wow, so lovely. Okay, now we're gonna put those two crusty burnt
They
grilled
have
cheeses.
the cheese is not even melted yet.
Yeah, probably not. We're gonna let those sit for a little longer.
Ooh, I know.
Let's
Do you
turn this
have
up.
do you have a topper for this pan?
Oh, sorry, we're living in the Great Depression. We can't afford that. Thank you,
Okay.
though. Mm-hmm. Yep.
You can figure this out. I don't know what was in this glass, but
Oh, well. Okay, one of our cooks is going to be gone for a second. She's getting a call. So I will continue to flip these. Perfect. Yum, yum. As you can see, they look very good. Nice and burnt.
no.
And the cheese is basically plastic because that's all we could afford. So it's taken a while to melt. Oh, we're gonna add some water in here. Okay, probably not a good idea. No,
It steams the cheese.
oh, it does.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Now flip it over.
we're adding water to steam this, so the cheese
Looks
can be
better if you have a
melted.
top.
Oh, here. Okay, let me try and find a top. Well, we have a topper, so a short one. Nothing wrong with short.
Bitty bitty bum bum.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Okay.
Look at those the cheese steam.
Well, we have 4 sandwiches done so far, and we have
Ooh, see, I told you the cheese is like melted.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Let me get a little bit more water.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
So we was all mix them for Mariah too,
Pieces left.
please.
I was like, won't like this.
I was like, we're making enough for a family of 4.
Yes. Okay,
See?
we're just steaming that. Great idea from Anya.
It's from growing up in the hood.
Well, I'm sorry to hear that. Okay, that plastic is not melting anymore. Let's just put it in the microwave. Okay, on to our 5th and 6th grilled cheeses.
We're making a family of 4. Don't you think they only need 1 each? That
Yeah,
cheese
probably.
is
How about we do that because we're not trying to make the video more than 10 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, now we're gonna pour some of the tomato soup into a bowl. Actually, how about we do this? I'm gonna grab a label.
Just grab a spoon, everyone, and dig in.
Perfect. Okay. Now time to dig in. Yeah. Lovely. Okay. Don't put soup on a plate, maybe. Perfect. All right. Well, we have plenty of soup, as you can see. There's plenty of soup here. As you can see, plenty for a family of 4. We have our 4 grilled cheeses, and we have plenty more, but we're not trying to make the video a ton of minutes long. So we're gonna fill each bowl up with however much soup you want. Looks like we have kind of a unlimited supply here. So this is great to dip your grilled cheese in too, if you're wondering why we made this.
Oh, spill on your oven.
Perfect. Okay, there's 2 scoops in this bowl. And we are going to set that down. And we will grab the 4 grilled cheeses. Awesome. All right. Now, we're gonna take a bite of this and review. Would you like to dip your stuff in?
I'd love to.
Perfect. Okay. Well, why don't you try that?
Here, I'll rip it apart for both of us.
Perfect.
That way we both get a try.
Nice and generic. Not horrible. Whew. Generic is not really for me, but still
grew up
isn't.
on this.
It's still edible.
I grew up on this.
Great meal for a family of 4.
10 out of 10 would recommend to my friends.
Yeah, so there's our cooking video for a family of 4 for only $4 if you're trying to make some dirt cheap meals. Thank you, and like and subscribe to our video. Bye.